Facing the "we couldn't call your number, please check the number and try again in 1 hour" message while verifying WhatsApp, it can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll walk you through several ways to fix the issue. Let's get started. Before you follow anything, check if the given phone number is correct. Enter the country code correctly. After that, change some advanced network settings. To do so, open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer option. Make sure to turn on the Developer option on your device. Scroll down, find out Wi-Fi scan throttling. Turn it on. Scroll down a little. Enable Always Mobile Data on. Now restart your Android mobile. Now open WhatsApp to see if this issue is fixed. If you still have issues, try out the following process to resolve it. Solution 1. Enable phone access on WhatsApp. Tap and hold the WhatsApp. Tap the eye icon. Tap Permissions. Tap Call Logs. Set this to allow. Go back. Enable Location. Set this to allow. Also enable all the permission on your device from here. Solution 2. Clear cache and app data. Open Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find out WhatsApp. Tap on it. After that, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache and tap on Clear Data. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, make sure to explore more tutorials on your channel for additional troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.